welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Gina Louise, and I thought this was so freaking cute. Look at that. It is a handbag, I guess cookie jar. I'm not using this for a cookie jar, and it's not my colors. My bedroom is still shabby chic, although I'm going to change that out this year, and I'm going to make it like urban chic. Right now it's still shabby chic, so I'm going to do a whole DIY makeover on this, and I'm not going to use it for a cookie jar. I'm going to use it in my bedroom for like my jewelry. When I come home, I'm always ripping my earrings out, my bracelets, my necklaces, and I just leave it on the dresser. But I'm going to put this on there, all blinged out, to match my room for my jewelry. I've decided to make this a giveaway, so please subscribe, leave a comment, and watch until the end for further instructions, and someone could win this beautiful makeover. I used my Waverly white chalk paint, and I mixed it with some pink acrylic paint I had to make like this soft ballet pink. And I'm going to do the handles in Mint Chip by Debbie's DIY Paints. I'm going to paint all the red areas in that soft pastel pink. And the upper part of the bag that is in like that light brown, that I'm going to do in white. And the handles are going to be in a mint green. It took 3 coats of paint on all areas of the bag, and for some reason, I don't know if the camera was off or the footage just can't be found, but I don't have the footage of me painting the handles the mint chip color from Debbie's DIY paints. I went in with a fine paintbrush to clean up the edges and to get all the little spots that I missed. Now I'm going to mix some Epsom salt with my iridescent glitter in a jar to give it a little extra pop, and I'm going to add that to the top part of the bag to give it a little glitzy shimmer. I want this bag to have some bling. So now I'm going to add my glitter to all the white parts of the top of this handbag. I just put some Mod Podge in a paper plate so that I could brush it on all over the top of this bag, and then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter onto it, and the Mod Podge is going to hold it nicely. And then when it's done, I'm going to coat it with a gloss Mod Podge to seal it in and to not dull the sparkle. Now I'm taking those rhinestone stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add them in between each little quilted diamond shape on the bag where all the little points meet. I'm going to stick a little rhinestone in there, and I'm going to put them also on the handle where it looks like the hardware is. When you use Mod Podge to seal an area that you have glitter or sparkles, make sure you use glossy Mod Podge, because if you use the flat, it's going to defeat the purpose and it's going to dull all the sparkles. I decided to use the gloss on the handles. I wanted them to be glossy. And then I do use a flat Mod Podge to seal the base of the handbag. It didn't sparkle enough for me, so while the Mod Podge was still wet, I used some more iridescent glitter on it. And here are the final results. I hope you liked this video. I hope it inspires you. And one lucky winner will win this girly ceramic jar. You need to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Follow me on my Instagram and tag 3 of your girly friends who love bling under the photo. Here are the contest rules again. Subscribe to my channel. Comment on the makeover video that I did. Follow me on Instagram and tag 3 of your friends under the photo. Leave a comment below and tell me why you would love to win this blingy handbag ceramic jar. Thanks for watching.